Welcome to Mountain Man Guns. We're just outside of Fort Atkinson, about 10 minutes, so it's not far from Fort Atkinson at all. We have a large selection of rifles, pistols, and shotguns here. We try to maintain a large inventory of used guns, which we buy frequently, so we have lots of nice used stuff to look at. That's constantly changing. We do minor scope repairs, scope mounting, scope repairs, minor cleaning, slings, swivels, things like that. We don't do major gunsmithing, but we do a lot of that here. Right now we're still trying to get ammo back. Everybody's trying to figure out where all the ammo is. Everybody's patiently waiting. I wish these racks were full. They normally would be, but due to the circumstances, we're trying to get every bit we can. Trap ammo is going to be hard to get this year, but just keep checking everywhere, guys, and you'll probably find some. And hopefully this fall we'll have more hunting ammo in stock also.